It's also World Freedom Day and World Wild Light a Candle Day. I'm Megan.
And I'm Theo. And here are your morning announcements. This morning, Grade 3 will be leading the workshop assembly in Grade 2 and Studio 4 and 5 classrooms. Grade 3 students will be coming by to lead social skills workshops. Check out MyIshmik for more details.
VOS Voice of Students Well-being Survey will be launched next week, Monday till Thursday. Keep an eye out for more details.
There is an SRC Art Challenge. The task is to design a card on A5 paper, either horizontal or vertical. Ask Mr. Johnathan or Miss Amber for more details. Calling all Studio 4 and 5 Mathematicians, a Secondary CAS Group has designed a competition for you on Friday, November 23rd, periods 1 to 5. There will be different rounds to explore different types of thinking. An individual round, Jeopardy, logic, riddles, and code breaker. If you are interested in math or just want to give the competition a try, sign-ups will take place next week.
On Saturday, November 10th, there will be a worker bee gardening session from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. at Secondary campus.
Make space during morning recess today for grades 1, 2s, and 3s students.
Joke of the day: why did the lady throw her butter out the window?
Why?
She wanted to see a butterfly.
Random fact of the day. All the blood in your body travels through your heart once a minute. The mindfulness quote of the day is: a smile is the lighting system of the face. The cooling system of the head is the heating system of the heart.
That's
it for today's morning announcements. Have a fantastic Friday.